Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by checking the battery level and plugging in if it's below 15% so the system doesn't fight you. Next, open Settings and navigate to System, then Power and Battery. This puts you at the control panel for saver features. Once done, look for the battery saver section and the master toggle as well as an automatic schedule. This step gives you both the immediate switch and context for why the saver engaged, so you can change behavior rather than just react. You now disable the battery saver toggle to immediately restore full performance and background activity. After that, make sure to set the automatic threshold higher or turn that automatic setting off so it won't re-enable unexpectedly. Choosing 20% or higher gives you cushion. Also open the additional battery impact options to allow background apps and keep the display brightness unrestricted. These changes explain why performance returns, and finish by confirming your changes and rebooting the laptop so all settings apply cleanly. A restart clears transient states. You should then run a quick task like streaming or a small benchmark to verify the device isn't throttled and background apps run normally. If battery saver reappears, make sure you didn't switch to a power plan that forces saver or install third-party battery managers. Disable those and reapply settings. This troubleshooting tip addresses the most common reason the feature returns unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.